PTE Speaking Tips Part 1. We're going to talk about the speed in the different questions. So let's get started. First question is read aloud. Now imagine a 1 to 10 scale where 1 is super slow like this and 10 is as fast as you possibly can. So 5 would be your normal speed, your middle speed. Now question number 1, read aloud. You want to go slightly faster than normal. If the text is hard, go a 6 out of 10, but focus on clarity. If the text is easier, you can go a 7 out of 10. And of course, you can go a little bit faster in that case. Repeat sentences. Speed again should be slightly faster than normal, a 6 to 7 out of 10. Do not copy their pauses, do not copy their accent. Just speak in a consistent, normal way. Then we have describe image. This is where you're going to talk really fast. This image is providing a lot of information about X, Y, and Z. It is also showing X, Y, and Z and 1, 2, and 3. So you're going to talk like an 8 to 9 out of 10. Finally, retail lecture is going to be like a 7 out of 10 because the content is important. And for answer short questions, it doesn't really matter. Speak normally. Follow